Dear students, now we see Standard 6 Science Unit 3 Chemistry in Everyday Life. Now we see what is chemical change, what is physical change. Chemical change results in the change of substance. In physical change, only the shape, size or volume changes. The state of matter may also change from liquid to gas or from liquid to solid. However, the substance remains chemically as it is. We can consider all the particles around us or chemicals. The water we drink in the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. The salt we use in our kitchen is a combination of chemicals, sodium and chlorine. Even our body it is also made up of a lot of chemical particles. And we see the chemistry in everyday life. In this lesson, we will see about soaps and detergents, fertilizers, adhesives, cements, plaster of Paris, gypsum and Epsom. Now we see the soap and detergents. We are using wash powder to remove strong stains on the clothes. The detergent molecules have two sides. One side water loving, other water heating. Water heating goes and join with dirt and oil in the cloth, while the hard loving joins with water molecule. When you agitate the cloth, the dirt is surrounded by many molecules and is taken away from the cloth. The cloth becomes clean and the dirt surrounded by the detergent molecules float in the water, making it dirty. We see the fertilizer. Apart from water, sunlight and air, certain nutrients are also needed for the growth of plants. We know that plants get their nutrients from the soil. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are the three important nutrients among the various nutrients needed for the growth of the plants. These three are called as principal nutrients. Now we see the organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers containing only plant or animal based materials or those synthesized by microorganisms are called organic fertilizers. These fertilizers can be prepared easily. This type of fertilizers are economical. For example, compost. Next type is inorganic fertilizers. The fertilizers prepared by using natural elements by making them undergo chemical changes in the factories are called inorganic fertilizers. Example urea, ammonium sulfate and superphosphate. Now we see the cement. In ancient period, the houses were constructed by using the mixture of lime, sand and wood. At present, the people are widely use the cement for construction of houses, dams and bridges. The cement is manufactured by crushing of naturally occurring minerals such as lime, clay and gypsum through milling process. Cement becomes hardened when it is mixed with water. Gypsum plays a very important role in controlling the rate of hardening of the cement. During the cement manufacturing process, a small amount of gypsum is added at the final grinding process. Gypsum is added to control the setting of cement. Now we see about the uses of cement. Cement is used as mortar, concrete and reinforced cement concrete. First one is mortar. Mortar is a paste of cement and sand mixed with water. In houses, mortar is used to bind building blocks for constructing walls, to apply coating over them and to lay floor. Next one is concrete. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand and gravel. It is used in the construction of buildings, bridges and dams. Reinforced cement concrete. Reinforced cement concrete is a composite material by mixing iron mesh with the cement. This is very strong and firm. It is used in the construction of dams, bridges, centering works in houses and construction of pillars. Huge water tanks, water pipes and drainages are built with this. Now we see about the gypsum. Gypsum is a soft, white and grey, naturally available material. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. The molecular formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. Now we see the uses of gypsum. Gypsum is used as fertilizer and is used in the process of making cement and is used in the process of making plaster of Paris. We see about the Epsom. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate hydrate. The molecular formula of the Epsom is MgSO4 7H2O. It offers a wide range of uses. We see the uses as Epsom eases stress and relaxes the body. It helps muscles and nerves function properly and is a medicine for skin problems. It improves plant growth in agriculture. Now we see about the plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris consists of fine white powder. The molecular formula of the plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O, known as since ancient times. Plaster of Paris is so called because of its preparation from the abundant gypsum found near Paris, capital of France. Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating gypsum where it gets partially dehydrated. Now we see the uses of Paris in making blackboard chalks. It is used in surgery for setting fractured bones. It's used for making casts for statues and toys. It is in construction industries. And we see about the phenol. Phenol is a carbolic acid of an organic compound. It is necessary ingredient for preparing the variety of phenol products. The molecular formula of phenol is C6H5OH. It is a weak acid. It is volatile white crystalline powder. It is a colorless solution but changes into red in the presence of dust. It irritates when exposed on human skin. It is widely used for industrial purposes. Phenol itself is used in the mouthwash and as a disinfectant in house cleaners. Phenol used as surgical antiseptic since it kills microorganisms. Now we see the adhesives. It is commonly known as glue, mucilage or paste. The substance is applied to one surface or both the surfaces of two separate items that binds them together and resist their separation are called adhesives. Adhesives are substances that are used to join two or more components together through attractive forces acting across the interfaces. Now we see the types of adhesives. There are two kinds of adhesives. One is natural made from starch and another is artificial made from chemicals. The one used in puncture shop is an artificial adhesive. Artificial adhesives may be classified in a variety of ways depending on their utilities. Their forms are paste, liquid, film, pellets, tapes. It is used in various conditions such as hot melt, reactive hot melt, thermosetting, pressure sensitive and contact. Thank you students.